Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap News. It's Wednesday, December the 4th, 2013. Welcome to the show. I've done my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases and I've found some good ones. I want to talk about what sort of stood out to me from that news. And the ultimate goal is to help you find some good companies to do your homework on and ultimately find some investment winners in there. I'm Alan Barry-Laboucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. We try to keep the show to around a 10-minute time frame. I've got 6 press releases today, so we're going to get right at it. The first one comes from Coastal Gold Corp. Coastal Gold Corp announced that their latest indicated mineral resource has increased by 110% to 1.24 million ounces of gold at their Holtbrook Gold Project in Newfoundland. Some very good results there. They had in the indicated category within their pit constrained resource calculation 966 ounces of gold and inferred of 7,000 ounces of gold. In the below constrained pit shell, they still have some indicated of 273,000 ounces of gold and 131,000 in the inferred category. This is a pretty, as I said, a substantial increase from their previous resource calculation. So good news there. Stock's down a half a penny on at 2 cents a share. Just looking at the 1-year chart, it's been pretty much going sideways since back in April, or actually March, and just looking for a catalyst to sort of see it break out from there. I think that's what that company needs right now. Their stock symbol is COD, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. The next company is Osisko. Osisko announced drill results from their 100% owned Kirkland Lake property. They hit 61 meters, averaging 1.44 grams per ton gold at Bidgood. This is part of that 100% owned Kirkland Lake property. Some significant subintervals there as well. What's interesting also is that this project is fairly close to, practically right at surface. So a very interesting project. Osisko is one of my top picks when it comes to mid-tier companies that I think producers that I think could grow into much larger producers of the future when it comes to gold. The stock bottomed in late June, early July. Had a good run until about August. Went sideways for a couple months. Has been under pressure like a lot of gold stocks. I like that it hasn't given back all the gains since that low back in June. Yeah, I've got a lot of good things to say about Osisko. Very good company. OSK is their symbol, and they trade on Toronto. Next company is Primero. Primero had some drill results out from the San Dimas at their Sierra del Gallo project in Mexico. They hit a high-grade vein in their west block, which included 7.4 grams per ton gold and 528 grams per ton silver over 11.9 meters. So very good grades, very good intersection. They also had 12 grams per ton gold and 2,109 grams per ton silver over 3.2 meters. Again, very good results. They announced the discovery of a bonanza area in the Victoria vein, including 85 grams per ton gold and 2,716 grams per ton silver over 9.1 meters. Very significant intersections here on these latest drill results. Just looking at the stock, it's up 4 cents today to $5.06. The stock, again, it's another one that was bottoming in June, July. Came out of that in August and performing exceptionally well. Gave back some of those gains, retained a lot of the gains from the lows. So that's just a bullish indicator. The stock's been under pressure lately, but it's been under pressure on low volume. So that's often an indication that the selling pressure is over. I'd be looking for upside on this one in the near term. P is their symbol, and they trade on Toronto. Next company is Silver Dore, or from First Majestic Silver Corp. They announced that they've had Silver Dore production commences at their Del Toro silver mine. This is in Mexico, and they began initial production on November the 20th. So that's obviously a pretty significant development for First Majestic. Their stock is up 3 cents today to $9.54. This is another one. It bottomed in June, ran up dramatically, bottomed at about $9.50, ran all the way up to 17 bucks. Been under significant pressure since then. It's now testing that June low, and I'll be interested to see if it can sort of bottom here and start heading to a more positive. I think if if you started to see silver moving up, that would be a definite catalyst to help First Majestic Silver Corp as well. Their stock symbol is FR, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. The next company is Mountain Province Diamonds. Mountain Province Diamonds announced that the Mackenzie Valley Land and Water Board approves their Gaucho Q Pioneer land use permit. This is a very this Pioneer land use permit allows land-based site work to commence in preparation for deliveries planned for the 2014 winter road season. There's a quote from the De Beers Chief Executive Officer of De Beers Canada, making some very good comments about how significant this is, and now they can move forward with the project. Stock's flat on the day. It's $5.58, and been on a very good move since March. And now they're getting the right permits that can help them move forward with this project and turn it into the Northwest Territories' next diamond mine. Very interesting company. MPV is their stock symbol, and they trade on Toronto. And the final news today is from Lakeshore Gold. Lakeshore Gold produced 16,700 ounces in November. Company generating net free cash flow in the fourth quarter of 2013. Some very good developments there. We like to see that growing free cash flow, and production numbers, good grades, and very good costs as well. Their per ounce cash operating costs are $1,027. So they really, benefit from higher gold prices. They can keep doing what they're doing at these prices, but even higher prices gives them bigger margins. Lakeshore Gold's up half a cent today to 38.5 cents. Their stock symbol is LSG, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. That's all the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, it's important for you to do your homework and speak with your financial advisors. I hope you can join us tomorrow for our next news show, and you have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow.